Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we'll talk about the governance and KPI frameworks for Sturm, Roger and Company, and US Firearm Industry. So to keep this project on track, we have two levels of management. The first is the steering committee of key executives who give high-level directions. The second one is the project management office that runs the daily operations and reports back to leadership. This is all held together by a communication plan of regular weekly check-ins and quarterly reviews to make sure everyone is aligned. The project's work is split into five main teams: the research and development, which creates the new products; the manufacturing, that works on making production cheaper and faster; the supply chain team, who ensures we have the materials we need from reliable suppliers; the sales department, who improve the distribution network; the financial team, who manage the project's profitability and manage the financial risks from market changes.
Our KPIs framework targets key areas. In R&D, reduce development time by 15%, boost new product sales to 35%, and lower R&D costs by 10%. In manufacturing, improve equipment efficiencies by 10%, reduce defects below 0.8%, and cut cost by 5%. In supply chain, lower material price volatility by 8%, improve supply performance to 98%, and cut lead time by 10%. In supply and distribution, increase uh, sell through by 7%, grow distributor participation by 20%, and boost international sales by 8%. And in finally, finance and risk increase profit margin to 22%, and maintain $80 million in cash receivers, and reduce demand inflation impact by 5%. Thank you for listening.